naglalakad. So, kailangan natin mamuyakoy. Kuyakoy! Welcome to NJH Vlog. Hi, Mamar! Hi, Mamar! Hi, Mamar! Meron tayong tinapay at hopya galing Tipas. Black coffee. Hopya galing Tipas. Good morning, everyone. Hi, my love. Good morning. It's okay. It's okay. Mommy's here. Waiting time for Nate. Mamaya punta kami ng clinic para sa 6-month update ni Ate Norilyn. Here. Tara, nakain na tayo dahil may pupuntahan pa tayo. We're going now. Come here. Let's go, guys. Going to clinic. Okay, go first. Then gonna lock the door. Tulak pa yung pintuan, make it sure. Filipino? Kahit car. Oh my God. Dirtiness. Hi. Oh, TD, let's go. Let's go. Talaga nagbablog ako para sa inyo eh. Pa akong na-book. Oh, guys. Kakasabi lang yan, nalaglag na. Nandito na tayo. Okay. So, tapos na ang medical ni Ate Norilyn. Pupunta tayong Orchard kasi nandun ang favorite naming Thai food. Anong orderin mo?
Kahit ano?
Tom Yum.
Ayun, my favorite.
Favorite.
ka.
Your favorite? Waiting for the taxi.
Yay!
Waiting for the taxi. Hi. Hi.
Hello.
Hi, vlogs. Hi. Nakain po kami. Dito kami sa Orchard. Here. Go, pilot. No. This one, Timar, do. This one, Tay. Ayun, dali. Sige, pindutin mo lang. Go na, go. Hala, walang tree.
Ano to mo? Labas.
Labas, walang tree. Tree tayo, tree. Walang tree. Ay, meron, may tree.
Epic fail to elevator. Mas malakas siya.
Oh my God, eh.
Pinipigil akong gano'n. Dahil mag-aalakok niya ako.
Iba-iba mukha na nito. Dito tayo ngayon sa favorite namin Thai food. Thai food. Ang sarap. Magpo-pork tayo ngayon. Dahil, hi my love! Are you going to eat as well? You eat already your milk. Tom Yum seafood. Sarap, man. Sarap. Ulit. Ito yung mas maraming laman kaysa sa nung last time na kumain tayo sa saan yun? Sa Great World. I know. Sa ano lang yun? River Valley. Thank you so much, madam. Magkano po sahod nyo dito?
5,000.
Mahal ah. Wala talagang magsasawa
Tatalo.
dito. Walang tatalo. Na.
Yes, true.
Namin. Wala, mamimiss natin to. Malayo na tayo. Nay James? Sabi ng... Where's my night night? Ay! Ay! Nay James? I love you. Night night? Sabi nung... Ay, sus! Night night? Night night? I love you. Mama? Night night? Ba yan? May video na eh. Kung kailan may video na. Night James? Night night? Night night? Oh. Oh. Huh? Night night? I love you. Night night? Apo, I love you. It's alright, my love. Hi. Going to Orchard now. Super busog. Ubos lahat na in-order. Hi. Kung gusto mo yan. Ayan, cute oh.
Cute ang outfit mo, B.
Ayan. Kasi hindi mo ulan. Pero, buti na lang may dalang bonnet. Nanginginig yung nagka-camera. Balitan. Ako ang mukha niyan. Hi! Oh. Hawakan mo pa harap. Yan. Hello po. Hi, Nate! Nate, nagkakagising lang po. Nate! Hi, James! A good sleep. Do you have a good sleep? Look, mommy, do you have a good sleep? Yeah? Do you have a good sleep? Huh? Your eyes are swollen. Oh. Do you have a dream? Do you have a dream? What? Do you have a dream? You're so poky naman. Tell me what happened. Tell me. What happened to your dream? You're drinking milk? A lot of milk? Kakauwi lang po namin. Palit ng aking my love. Alas 3 na kami nakauwi. At magsha-shower. Super init. Okay, I'm gonna play again mamaya kasi makapiright. Okay, my love. Mamaya itutuloy ang... Anong pinapanood natin? Supacell. Supacell, yes.